Here's a great way to put produce at the center of the plate in the middle of winter. Watermelon is available year-round, and because it's a member of the gourd family, it lends itself very well to pairing with other winter vegetables. In this recipe, I'm going to use the watermelon rind and pair it with some global flavors and some spice. This is a watermelon rind massaman curry with winter vegetables. To start the curry, heat the oil in a saucepan over moderate heat. Then add the garlic and the shallots and stir until it's fragrant. Add the curry paste and the chili paste or the chili flakes and stir it for about 10 seconds. Remove half a cup of the top of the creamy layer of the coconut milk and add that to the pan. Stir and cook until the paste is bubbly and the oil begins to separate. Add the remaining coconut milk, soy sauce, onions, and watermelon rind. Reduce the heat and simmer until the onions and the watermelon rind are soft. Add the remaining vegetables in the water and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Adjust the seasoning with fish sauce, sugar, and lime juice. Next, add the kaffir lime leaves and the basil and serve immediately over jasmine rice. This easy dish is full of warm Indian spices that will be sure to have you enjoying watermelon all year long.